All right, this is part 7. This is once again part of the family plan. If you've had our family plan for 90 days, at least, we will then do uncontested separation and divorce representation. Uncontested separation and divorce representation. What does this mean? If you had our family membership, only the family membership, for 90 days, we will then handle an uncontested divorce and an uncontested separation. Now, you still have to pay court costs because you have to have the filing fees done in court. But the lawyers will put together all the paperwork and you are covered for an uncontested divorce and uncontested separation. Now, why am I going to spend an extra few seconds on this one? A lot of people, one of the partners will lawyer up, and then the other one will lawyer up. Both lawyers tell their client that they can win the case. Both lawyers could care less about the other person or the family involved. All they care about is getting the person in the court and making money. In the end, both people have to pay their law attorneys. Both people have to pay the attorneys in their law firms, and only one winner emerges. If you can get along with your domestic partner, your spouse, your ex-wife, whatever else, ex-husband, for 90 days, it'll save you the hassle of going through a really, really ugly divorce. Okay? In other words, you agree to get out, they agree to get out, and you've been in Legal Shield, have the family membership for 90 days. The lawyers will write up the paperwork. You pay the court fees, which is usually about 120 bucks. At least it is where I'm at. And then your divorce is finalized. The kids don't suffer, neither one of you suffer, and you can actually get along. I always tell people, I know you don't like the other person, or I know that you just want to get out on a divorce. But don't make it hard on each other, and don't sit there and listen to attorneys that you're paying for somewhere else sitting there promising you the world, when in the end there can only be one winner. Both of you all have to understand there's only can be one winner. But if you basically have an uncontested divorce or an uncontested separation, get the paperwork filled out, get it signed, go about your way. Look, some people get married too young. Some people are in the military getting married. Some people are married to truck drivers. Some people are getting divorced. Whatever the reason, get along with each other for 90 days. You guess what? It costs you 60 bucks because $20 a month for our family membership. All right? You pay the court costs about 120 and you get out. I know a lot of people that have gone through really messy divorces. They have cost thousands and thousands of dollars. But not just that. Look at what an uncontested divorce can do. It can save you pain, suffering. It can save you the aggravation. It can save you the back and forth bickering. And especially if you have children, it can actually show the kids that mom and dad can actually get along and get out of it. Now, if it's just two people that got married, they just need to get out of their marriage, these things happen all the time. Let's not make it any harder than what it is. 90 days, we do the uncontested divorce, we do the uncontested separation, okay? This is part 7. This is training part 7. And it's a great training, I believe.